This conference will now be recorded.
Okay guys, let's get started. A very warm welcome to this MECM online training session. In this training, we are basically going to discuss about what all things we are going to learn, the course content, the duration of the training, the timing and everything. Like a demo session, guys. We are not going into details. I'm gonna explain that to you, the overview of this product, MECM. Now, so as you all know, this is a Microsoft product. MECM is what? Microsoft Endpoint Configuration Manager. This is a Microsoft product. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Kashif. I am from India. I have somewhere around 13 years of practical IT experience. I have expertise on SCCM, Intune, Active Directory, application packaging, Azure, PowerShell. I have completed my graduation from Mumbai University, and after that, I started working in IT. I started working as IT support engineer. So I was moved into SCCM level 1, level 2, level 3 team. Now I'm working as a SCCM architect, wherein I have to implement SCCM in companies. I have been training more than 20,000 students globally. I have trained more than 20,000 students globally on offline platform, online platform, and these are my website, blog, email address, and Skype ID. So that's about me, guys. Let me take you to the next slide, which talks about the duration of the training. So the duration, total duration, 30 to 35 hours. 1 month it's gonna take to finish all the topics. 1 month total. 1 month to finish all the topics. Daily we are going to do 1 hour session daily. Okay. Daily means Monday to Saturday. Right? Monday to Saturday we are going to do the session, and it is gonna take 1 month. Daily 1 hour session, 6:30 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. India time, Monday to Saturday, 6:30 a.m. to 7:30 a.m., which is 9 p.m. Eastern time. Those who are in US, the duration, the time is 9 p.m. Eastern time. Okay, uh, on daily basis from Sunday to Friday. Okay, from Sunday to Friday, because today is Sunday evening for you guys in US. So that is the timing, guys, and the duration is 1 month, daily 1 hour session we are going to do. Now the next slide talks about the historical background of SCCM. So as you know, this product MECM, which is Microsoft Endpoint Configuration Manager, this is developed by Microsoft. It was developed and released in the year 1994 as SMS 1.0. What is SMS? SMS is the old name of this product, MECM. SMS is System Management Server. So the first name of this product was SMS. It was released in the year 1994. Then in the year 1999, they released SMS 2.0. Then SMS 2003 in the year 2003. Then SCCM. They changed the name from SMS to SCCM, System Center Configuration Manager. So the second name given by Microsoft is this one, SCCM, System Center Configuration Manager, in the year 2007 itself. Then SCCM 2012, SCCM 1511. These are the three products. I mean, these are the three versions released in the year 2016. These three versions in the year 2017. These three versions in the year 2018. These three versions in the year 2019. But from 19 October 2019 October, they changed the name again to MECM, Microsoft Endpoint Configuration Manager. Previously, we used to call it as SMS. The first name was SMS, second name is SCCM, and third name is MECM, Microsoft Endpoint Configuration Manager. And that happened in the year 2019 October. These three versions released in the year 2020, and then in the year 2021 they have released MECM what 2111 in the month of November. So these three versions released in the year 2021. So MECM 2111 is the latest and greatest version of SCCM at the moment, which you can download and install. MECM is MECM 2111 was released in the month of November 2021. November 2021. Sorry. November 2021. So sorry guys, it is released in the month of November 2021. So this is the latest and greatest version of SCCM. So it started from 1994 now till 2021. If you calculate the number of years, it is more than 25 years. More than 25 years this product is there in the market. Okay, that's the historical background of this product. Now the next slide talks about the certification. Previously we used to have the certification 20-243. Then Microsoft expired that one and they released 70-703. But both of them got expired now. We don't have any certification exam for SCCM. Okay, so examination certification exam is not there anymore. Now why you should learn SCCM? Those who are new to IT world or new to SCCM, you should understand why you should learn SCCM. Okay, what is the reason? So before you start learning anything, you must do some analysis. You need to do the analysis whether the technology which you are going to study, whether that has good vacancies or not, if that has good salary or not, if the you know, is it easy to learn or not. So in this slide I'm going to talk about MECM, then you will get more understanding. So first of all, why you should learn SCCM? Because it is a matured product. It is there in the market for the past 25 years. Okay, it's not a new product. Okay, 25 years this product is there in the market. Second point, SCCM holds 43% of market share. 43% means there are other competitors of SCCM, but SCCM is like almost half. You know, wherever you go, almost all medium sized companies and big size companies will have SCCM. Almost everywhere, whether you are in US or Canada or Australia or Gulf countries or India, anywhere you find SCCM in medium and big size organizations. So SCCM also has competitors, but very less number of competitors. SCCM competitors are Landesk. Okay, then SCCM competitors, Altrace, right? Altrace, then Tanium, now BigFix, right? These are competitors of SCCM, but SCCM, these are tiny competitors. SCCM is like giant in front of these tiny competitors. It is giant. Why? Because it is available in almost all big size and medium size companies. Okay, so less number of competitors, Good vacancies, you have ample amount of vacancies all over the globe for SCCM administrators. You are you can expect good salary as well. How much salary you can expect? If you are working as SCCM administrator, you can expect somewhere around 45 US dollar per hour, hourly basis, 45 US dollar. So this amount you can get in US, Canada, Australia, European countries. But if you are in India, you can expect 8 lakh per annum, 800,000 Indian rupees per annum. Those who are in India, you can expect INR, not dollar, guys. INR, Indian rupees. 800,000 Indian rupees per hour you can expect if you are working as SCCM administrator, right? Some people are getting more than this, some people are getting less than this, but average salary is 800,000 Indian rupees per hour. In US, it is 45 US dollar average salary. Now, point number 8, resources are available. That means this product is there in the market for the past 25 years, so that wherever you are stuck, suppose if you are planning to do something, or if you are stuck in SCCM, you can just Google it out. You will get hundreds of websites which can guide you. So resources are available. Okay. Then where will you get SCCM related jobs? So you have to apply jobs on multiple job portals like Naukri, Monster, Indeed, Dice, LinkedIn. So these are the leading job portals where you should upload your resume, so that the interviewer, uh, the people who are looking for SCCM administrators will arrange interview calls for you guys. SCCM is the third largest selling product of Microsoft. Microsoft is selling operating system on the top. Then they are selling Office, the second. Then they are selling SCCM or MECM. Both are same, guys. Either you, since I am used to SCCM, so I'm saying SCCM, but same SCCM or MECM. So number one, they are selling operating system. Microsoft selling operating system. Number two, Microsoft Office, then SCCM. So it's the third largest selling product of Microsoft. Now it's easy to learn. Okay, those who are planning to make your career in SCCM, it is easy to learn. No programming languages or no coding languages are involved in this one. Everything is GUI based. You don't have to learn the coding, boring coding languages here to learn SCCM. Now, what will be the future of this product? At least it is gonna be there in the market for the next 10 years. Next 10 years, this product is gonna be there in the market. Okay, because we don't have competitors which can replace SCCM at the moment. So these are the factors why you should learn SCCM. Okay, so SCCM is a good technology, and you have good salary, good vacancies, and resources are available almost everywhere. This product is being utilized, easy to learn. You can try learning SCCM, guys. Now in SCCM we have three sites, in fact: central administration site, primary site, and secondary site. Now we will discuss about these sites later on from the next session onwards. Now understand the architecture of SCCM. SCCM architecture is designed in three different architecture. The first one is for a small size company, wherein you don't have any branch offices, only one location. and you have devices to manage. So we will install one primary site server, and that will manage all the computers in Houston. So one single primary site is needed, right? And that is going to manage all the machines in Houston. Okay, so this is called small uh, small size company wherein SCCM is managing all the devices in on one location. Second, which is very common, is medium size companies. This one is for small size company. This one is for medium size companies. Okay, so in this one you have a primary site on the headquarter and secondary in the branch offices. So all the branch office will have secondary site, and secondary will report to primary like this. 99% of time you will see this kind of implementation in companies, headquarter and branch offices. Third is for big organization like Accenture, Deloitte, IBM, wherein you have central on the top, not primary, central on the top, and you will have multiple primary 1, primary 2, primary 3, and all primary will report to central. Okay, this is for big size organization. Okay, so what we understand with this, these are the three architectural diagram for implementation of SCCM. Now this 99% of time this kind of architecture is uh, implemented in companies. So you will have a primary site in headquarter. Let's say you have 10,000 devices in New York. So all those 10,000 devices will be managed by primary site. Primary site will manage all the devices in headquarter. But what about the devices in Mumbai, London, Paris? Means the devices in branch offices. So who will manage those devices? So those devices will be managed by secondary site. Primary will be managing devices in headquarter, and secondary will be managing devices in branch offices. Okay, understood. And all secondary and primary will have database. You see, secondary has database, database. Primary also has database. All secondary has database, all primary has database. Now whatever the data secondary collects is gonna pass on to primary. Whatever the data this secondary collects pass on to primary like this. Okay, so this kind of architecture is for medium sized companies. Now every site has database. Secondary has database, as you see here. Primary has database, and secondary central has database. So whatever the data secondary collects, suppose it has collected some data from the branch office computers, it is going to pass on to primary side. So whatever the data the primary side collects, it's going to pass on to central administration side. Okay, then we have site roles, we will discuss later on. Now there are many features and functionalities of SCCM, like hardware inventory, you can do software inventory, asset intelligence, software metering, you can deploy application, manage application, you can deploy updates, manage updates, you can deploy operating system, you can manage contents, you can check how many computers are compliant, non-compliant, you can deploy power policy, client health, endpoint protection, role-based administration, remote control, reporting, monitoring. These are some of the features of SCCM. There are many other features of SCCM, but these are the general common feature of SCCM. Now for SCCM, uh, each one of you will have to set up your lab. Either you set up your lab in local on laptop or desktop, or you can set it up on Azure Cloud Data Center, which I will guide you step by step how to create your lab. So you need to create your lab either local or Azure, okay, so that you can do practical, you know, all the things we will be doing, everything will be practical. Now our architectural diagram will be like this. We will have one primary side, one secondary side, one client computer, database, and domain controller. All will be on the same network connection so that they can talk to each other. Any question, guys, from anyone? Hmm? Any question from anyone? Sankar?
No, Kashif, all good. So the training will be started tomorrow onwards, or
Yes.
uh,
So 6:30 a.m. India time, 6:30 to 7:30 a.m. India time.
sure.
Okay, IST, which is equivalent to 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern time, EST. Tomorrow, 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. EST, US Eastern Standard Time.
Sure, Kashif.
Dami Lola, any
Yes, copy
question?
that. No, I don't have any question right now. So,
Okay. DC, somebody joined as DCS. Okay,
Hi,
Ashok.
Kaush.
Ashok, can you unmute yourself? Do you have any question?
No question.
Okay, then we have Opeyemi. Yemi, do you have any question?
No question.
Okay, no question. Then we have Saravanti. Any question from your end? Ram, any question from your end?
Sir, I'm audible first.
Yes.
I have one doubt. Actually, what will be the designation for this SCCM engineer?
Designation as system administrator,
Okay, because
IT
earlier
analyst.
I have a senior software test engineer. Now I have resigned from my position last August.
Okay.
So how can I manage my profile from the system senior software test engineer to this SCCM?
So senior software in SCCM, you will get as system administrator. When you get more experienced, then you will get senior IT analyst or senior system administrator, something like that. Got it?
Okay, in future, if I wants to change my domain, example from other domain, I mean to like Salesforce like that. So it will be helpful or any problem will create.
No problem. It will not create any problem. You can change your career anytime. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Vartika,
No questions.
no question. Okay, so we are going to do the session now. If you guys are interested to continue from tomorrow, then you need to do the enrollment. So send me a message on, call me or send me a message on this number. This is my WhatsApp number. I will guide you the payment process. You need to make payment for the enrollment. So once you enroll, then I will add you in the session, guys, from tomorrow onwards. Okay.
Sure,
Any
Kashif.
question?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, thank you for joining the session. I hope the session was informative. We'll meet tomorrow. Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Thank you, Kashif.
Thank you. Bye, guys.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you. Bye.